All right, so make sure that this wig is secured. I'm going to be using some straight pins. I have some large and small straight pins. I wanted this to be a glueless look. That way you can just take it off when you get home. See how it's sliding back? Bring it forward. I'm gonna find a spot. Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. I teamed up with Wiggins Hair to show you this really viral curly ready to go wig that I've been seeing everywhere on TikTok. I got it in 20 inches, 150% density, and it is a 7x5 closure wig, and it is glueless. I hope you enjoy. It's really simple. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and let's get into it. To keep my wig in place, I'm going to be using some straight pins, and I'm first going to pin it going forward a little bit, and then I'm going to curve it going back, and I'm going to press it completely down. That is going to secure the wig every time. To fill in my edges even more, and I know a lot of women are always asking me. Okay, so I like to create a cocktail when it comes to my edges to create a nice full look. So I like to use red one or edge effect level 5. It has to be level 5 if you're going to use edge effect. And then I like to use edge effects level 5. They're tinted fiber, and I like to use that in the color black. Okay, they do have it in dark brown or just brown, but I don't think it's dark enough for my hair, so I just go with black. Okay, so if your goal is to wear this the same day, nice and big and curly, make sure that you do not saturate it so much, because I unfortunately had to learn the hard way and realize that this hair holds moisture for a very long time. So don't be like me and oversaturate your wig and have to wait forever for it to dry and make it big again. To create that big and defined look, I'm going to be picking out my hair with a wide tooth comb, but as I'm going towards the ends, I'm going to stop before I get all the way down, because we want to keep that definition, especially at the ends. Now you can go in throughout to define any curls that you feel like need some extra definition, and just do some little customizing for personal preference. Alright, and here is the final look. This wig is so freaking cute, and I see why everybody was raving over it on TikTok. Be sure to check out all the information in the description below, and I will see you babes in my next video.